try so hard, man. But you're fine.
He's making me dizzy.
Boy, get it, Rocco.
Your ice cream's in the... Oh, shit.
Where's your
Ice
tail?
cream's in the what?
Getting in the way of...
Make people happy.
Excuse me.
Like doing what
Excuse me.
You yell at me to record it, and then you put your ice cream in the way, and then I can't tell you that your ice cream's in the way.
What?
waiting to see it.
Excuse me.
I like how we're arguing while I'm videotaping. Rocco chases tail.
Yeah, Rock.
Oh,
Good boy.
why? You can't talk to him. You. Oh, there. He's easily
You made that
restarted.
mistake. Somebody has ADD.
I'm here.
Oh my god.
No, I didn't mean that. I don't think that's good. We should go.
No, you should do it. I don't want to
Hey.
let you love me, not tonight. Let's go.
Where's your tail?
Pretty sure if you don't leave the
Rocco, what's this?
God.
What's this?
Greek theatre. And I'm gonna
What's
save
this?
the ritual, and I want to perform for my fans and do something at 8:30 because this is not working for me as a lifestyle choice.
Oh my god. It's so easy to get him to start again.
Yeah. A little bit of blood makes a really big
And he'll keep like going. That's what he did over here. He went this way, and then he came back this way.
It's just...
Under the table.
Oh, he just snuck up on himself.
This dog is so stoned. This dog is so stoned. I
Did you
can't.
close all his feet?
No, who did?
Nobody did.
Somebody.
Contact that.
Somebody did. Look.
Get that mean old tail.
Oh my.
Oh my god, how stoned is he?
I've been already taping for 2 minutes.
Doing it for like 2 minutes
Again.
before.
He's still doing it. Yeah, he was doing it for like 2 or 3 minutes before you
Oh
started.
my god, he's gonna start going the other way.
Is he going the other way? Oh my god.
Oh no, I smell his butthole. Look how much
Oh my god.
How dizzy do you think he is? He's gotta be so dizzy.
Yeah.
Oh my god, are
Everyone's
you
going
serious?
the other way.
he's undizzyfying himself.
He's on dizzy.
Oh. We're at 3 minutes now.
Alright, babe.
Where's that tail?
Is he gonna start again?
What's that mean old tail?
I can't record anymore.
Oh my